What's up, Warcoders? Bayou Boogie here. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make your own custom code in Warcodes by joining the Mega Patreon tier. So first thing I would recommend, whether or not you want to make a custom code or not, is join the Discord. That's where the majority of the community hangs out, visits, shares their creations. Just a really fun community to be a part of. If you don't know how to join Discord, here's a link right here. I'll also put it in the video description. You can There's an app you can download on your phone, or you can put this link into any browser. It'll open up the Discord and you can join from there. Once you're part of the Discord, there's a bunch of different things. There's the rules, the welcome, all the parts where we talk, but we're going to go to this links section, and you see right here there is a link to Patreon. So we're going to go ahead and click that link. Now I'm already going to be logged in, so here's what it normally looks like when you go to it. It's got a join for free button and a membership options button. So to show you what options there are, the first thing are the game supporter, bigger game supporter, major game supporter. These three tiers give you a yellow Discord name instead of the standard color. You also get access to an extra Discord channel where you get some developer insights, sneak peeks to new potions. Sometimes we get special codes we can scan to try out a potion early. It's how you can get to be part of the beta testing, all of that stuff. All three of these monthly amounts give you the same access. They just give you the Discord channels, the little bit different link on your name or color on your name, and all this money just goes into supporting the game to help keep rolling out cool stuff. So the new Mega Game Supporter tier is $49.99 a month, and with this you get a personalized barcode that you can customize directly in game. That barcode's active for as long as you stay subscribed. They can be modified every 30 days to make a new monster. And it opens up another Discord channel for the Mega supporters, and you get a special, I believe it's like an orangish colored name, kind of a peach color. It's pretty cool. And so to do all this, you have to there's a few things you have to do. So once you've signed into Patreon, you have to link it to your Discord. This is something I highly recommend you do on a computer because it's not real intuitive on a phone. Basically, there's usually a button. I've already done it, so I can't really see it, but it's like, I think it was over here where you could link your Discord to Patreon. Once you've got those steps done, now we're going to go to, that does have a link to Discord here as well, but we're going to go to the user portal. And let's see, is there a link to that right here? Yes, right here. So under the Mega Game Supporter, it has a link to the user portal. So we're going to go here. And so once you get here, it's got cool information. It shows you how many tokens you have in game, your experience, how many scans you've got, what your total creature inventory can be, all that kind of cool stuff. And then over here, once you've become a supporter, this takes a little while to sync back up. Some people might only take, say, 15 minutes. Mine took a little closer to an hour. But once this turns green and it starts off as red and showing that the link hasn't synced up yet, once that syncs up, you are now ready to create your custom barcode. So we're going to click the little create a custom barcode. All right. So there's a couple of different steps we have to do, and we've also got some tips down here. Using descriptive titles to easily identify your custom barcodes. Provide clear descriptions explaining the purpose. The monster appearance affects how the barcode appears in-game. We can use a PNG that's exactly 512 by 512. It must be under 5 megabytes, PNG format. We submit them for admin to approve or activate them. You can edit them in pending or rejected. And then you'll get your ID and QR code. Let's see. All right, so there's everything that it has down there. So for my first barcode, I wanted to create a monster related to my in-game name of Bayou Boogie. And so I kind of threw together a description here of a terrifying big swamp monster called the Bayou Boogie that stands menacingly. I wanted to have a crocodile skull for a head, its body made of rotting bones and sticks and moss with different swamp critters crawling on it. Have the ribcage split open to reveal a treasure chest with some coins and stuff. And I decided to put a rotting corpse of a frog on his shoulder. And so we're going to see how this does. So there's a couple different ways to mess with your prompt. One of the main things that I've learned is you want to avoid anything that describes, non-physical features. The AI doesn't know how to interpret things like the creature feels happy that he just had a cheeseburger. Like it's like a catch cheeseburger, but it doesn't understand feelings and stuff like that. So you got to be very descriptive. Avoid extra fluff that just talks about emotions or thoughts or storyline. There is places for that, but the description should just be all physical descriptors. So let's see. I've got two different ways I'm going to test the image. The first one is I'm using deepai.org, which has got a decent little image generator. This was one that I did a few minutes ago. You throw your prompt up here. I chose the fantasy style. I'm going to do the speed one just so I can submit it and quickly get. So here we go. And we've got the frog, we got the gator skull, we got some coins. We're going to just kind of see a few more times how it or what it comes up with from us. So there we go, another kind of got a lot of the standard stuff going on there. Some of my earlier prompts had a lot more of the coins and stuff, so that's something I'm going to have to mess with. Another thing you can do is use something like ChatGTP and say, create an image from the following prompt. We'll just paste it there, and let it in. So you could try a few different ones to see how your prompt is doing and go from there. So I'm going to keep working on my prompt. It's not done by any means, but I'm hoping to have it submitted by later on tonight. And coming back to here, there we go. So we upload an image here. I'll probably use an AI generated image that I like from it. The description, this is just you telling people about your monster. Some people have little stories about their monsters. Some people just have a real quick, this monster is Greg. Greg's a monster. Done. Or some people have, an entire backstory to the creature they created. So that all goes in there, but that doesn't actually affect the monster it generates. That has to go into the other portion. So yeah, here we go. Title, description, the actual monster's appearance, and then the file. So you do all these things, you'll save them, you submit it, and then you just kind of wait and see. And when it gets done, you should get a barcode back. When mine comes back, I'll make a follow-up video to show everybody how things go, and we'll check it out then. So thanks for watching, folks, and if you guys are interested in joining the Mega Patreon tier, this kind of gives you the basics of it. As always, this is Bayou Boogie, and I will see you in the swamp.